Did you know that the ketogenic diet has been shown to help with weight loss, boost energy, and even improve mental clarity? But if you're new to keto, you might be wondering, where do I start? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the keto diet, how to start, what to eat, and how to succeed. Let's dive in. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet designed to put your body into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbs, which can help with weight loss and energy levels. The goal? Keep your carb intake low, typically under 50 grams per day, and increase your fat consumption. Step 1. Reduce your carbs. The first step is cutting out high-carb foods like bread, pasta, rice, and sugar. Instead, focus on foods that are low in carbs but rich in nutrients like leafy greens, avocados, and nuts. Step 2. Increase healthy fats. Your body needs fat for energy on keto. Healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and fatty fish like salmon. Avoid unhealthy trans fats found in processed foods. Step 3. Get enough protein. Protein is important for maintaining muscle while on keto. Stick to moderate amounts of meat, eggs, cheese, and plant-based proteins like tofu. Step 4. Stay hydrated and get electrolytes. When you start keto, your body loses a lot of water. Make sure to drink plenty of water and replenish electrolytes with foods rich in sodium, potassium, and magnesium, such as bone broth, leafy greens, and nuts. Keto-friendly foods: meats, poultry, and fish, eggs, and cheese. Low-carb vegetables: spinach, broccoli, zucchini. Healthy fats: avocados, nuts, olive oil. Foods to avoid: bread, pasta, and rice. Sugary snacks and soda. High-carb fruits like bananas and apples. Processed junk food. Plan your meals. Meal prepping helps you stick to keto and avoid high-carb temptations. 2. Watch out for the keto flu. Some people feel tired when starting keto. Combat this by drinking more water and getting enough electrolytes. 3. Track your macros. Use apps like MyFitnessPal to monitor your carb, protein, and fat intake. 4. Stay consistent. The key to success is consistency. It might take a few weeks to fully adjust, but the benefits are worth it. Starting keto may seem challenging at first, but with the right knowledge and planning, you can make it work. Are you ready to give it a